So what's in the box? What's in the box? You're going to be receiving Ktuned sticker, obviously the fuel rail, bong, and so the other way that the fuel feed line, it'll clip in here, plus those two Allen bolts that are going to be replacing the studs that we removed, and an O-ring, which I'm guessing it is for this part right here, replacement just in case. So that's what's in the box. So let's get busy. Even though they have an O-ring here, just in case, I'm gonna put just bead of Teflon tape on it just to keep it safe. Both. Boom. And here's the other one. Boom. So that way, you never know. Better be safe than sorry. And make sure that these two bolts right here, those two Allen bolts, are secured, tightened, because if not, we're gonna have a leak. So I just did double check everything. Let me tighten these two right here, and put the injectors and plug in the fuel feed line. Don't forget about these spacers, are super important. There we go. Alright guys, so I was able to move the wiring between the runners, so that way instead of going on the side, it'll be going this hole through the injectors, and it's gonna be looking just a bit cleaner. But learn from my mistakes. Before you install the fuel rail, go ahead and reroute the wiring, because you're gonna have a hard time becoming the space between the throttle intake manifold so narrow that you can barely fit your hand in it. Alright guys, so quick little update. Everything it's in place. Checking everything, double checking everything before. So I'm gonna prime it and check for any leaks. If not, I'm gonna start it. Everything looks good, so hey, that should be it.